Welcome to the demo series for hashtag 31DayArtist. I'm Alcrin, the creator of this series, and today we're working on sketching from imagination. Okay, so this week we've been sketching from reference, and I mentioned every now and then that these sketches will eventually help us when we draw from our imagination. And now we will actually try this out. So here you can see me use some of the techniques we've been practicing. I start the sketch knowing I want to draw someone sitting down with one leg propped up and one leg dangling down. So I draw the gesture line of that pose. Then I block out the rough proportions until it looks decent enough. I come back in adding more details like the face and adding line variation to the sketch. From here it's much more about trial and error than knowing what the end product will actually look like. You can definitely see this in the feet, how I go back and forth between adding detail and removing it. When to add details can be hard to figure out. I find it the easiest to think of it like this. If I want that part of the drawing to be the focus of the story, I will add a lot of details to that area. And everything that isn't important is only blocked in. When you sketch from your imagination, you will definitely make mistakes, and your drawing will not have all of the same stylistic choices as your drawing with reference. This is fine and expected. You can take a moment and compare how different your drawings from this week are, and point out things you like with them and see if you repeat the same stylistic choices in multiple drawings. This is a great way to help you develop your style, and if you made something you don't like, you can add that to a list of things you don't do with your style. But try to keep in mind why you don't like it. Is it because you have a hard time doing it? It seems like a lot of work, or you just simply don't like how it looks or feel. Being aware of why you like it or don't like something in art is also incredibly important to develop your skill. I find it important to both draw from reference and draw from your imagination, and I don't like to prioritize one over the other. They are two different skills that can't really be interchanged. Ideally, it's best to know both of them, but in reality we will pivot towards one when we sit down to draw. Links to the reference picture, website and Discord can be found in the description. If you try this out, use the hashtag 31DayArtist on social media or post it in our Discord. Good luck